lot scarier than I thought it would be.
I've always had a complicated relationship with hair. You know, I was actually born blonde, and at just 7 I shaved a small but alarming amount of hair and skin off my legs. I was 6 foot at 14, but too awkward to ask how to shave. The hair on my head in comparison has been far more reliable, which in many ways is why I'm scared to change it. Men are often stuck with colourless, similarly shaped clothing, and thus frequently visually express themselves through their hair. And while someone down the pub may offer up a homophobic slur to such a suggestion, even he will have a favourite barber, a similar line he says each time, and he'll worry about meeting up with his mates when he gets a shit trim. Thus, as you can imagine, voluntarily deciding to rid yourself of options is quite petrifying. But equally, I see this as the best possible time. My hair is pissing me off and it no longer feels like mine. It's now so long and thick, and July is not for a good while, and I'm about to turn 24. That'd be 10 years of the same hairstyle. Maybe it's time to let go. It's something that in these wild times I can actually control, unlike the inevitable recession of my hairline, which may, after this, take less of a toll. A friend told me that people stress so much about shaving their hair off, but then, once it's gone, you wonder what the big deal was. Obviously these words were written down before I did it, so I wonder how it feels. I wonder how it feels. I wonder how it feels.
Well, that happened then.